All right, what's up, y'all, man? I'm about to show you guys how to change your PCV valve. So, welcome to Live to Drive. Dang, I dropped that one. Where's the
You're getting that on film, though, for real.
It's been a long day, boy.
It has.
Dropping stuff.
I think, nah, you got distracted because, you know, we got the red tubing, it's race car red.
Nah, bro, that's just mechanic rigged, if we could say that.
McLaren red?
Yeah. All right, what's up, y'all? I told y'all I was gonna show y'all how to do a PCV valve. So here it is right here. 9 times out of 10, you're not gonna have to worry about this hosing or taking this, like unscrewing it like I do. You just usually just pull it off. Only reason I'm doing that is because my hosing is broke, so I had to improvise. But here's the PCV valve right here, as you can see. Get you a ratchet. Go ahead and loosen it up. And replace it with the newer one. So I got it loose now. I can just untighten it with my hand. Here it is. As you can see, it's pretty old. The grommet in there is full with all type of just junk, really. Show you what the new one looks like. Here's the new one. Here's the new one. Old, new. See how clean it is in there? Now this could make you start burning oil, could have blow by, all type of things. So this is a PCV valve. About to go ahead and replace it with the new one. Only thing you do, simply screw it in there. All right. Get your same ratchet, make sure it's tight. I think this is the bigger size, actually. All right, so after you got the new one on there, right there, let's go ahead and put your hose back on. The hose is low-key too big, too. But just go ahead and tighten it on there. All right, you guys, so now I got the PCV valve on, right? So I'm gonna show you a trick. You have a business card on you that I can borrow?
I do.
Okay. So what I'm about to do with the business card is, right, to check your blow by, take your not the fuel, but your oil cap off. Get a business card. There we go. Business card. Put it on top right there. Start the engine. Yeah, just a little bit. See, there's a little bit of blowback. What that is the car sitting on there, it's vibrating, it's pushing it up. What you want it to be is the car just sitting there and the engine is sucking it down, so it's just sitting there flat, right? That's perfect blowback. But just a little bit, pushing it up, vibrating a little bit, it's not bad. So that's how you know the PCV valve is working pretty fine, my friends. So there you go, man. That's how you replace and check your PCV valve. Thanks for watching. It's your boy K here. I Live to Drive. Go ahead and click that subscribe button, leave a comment, smash the like button. See you next video.